How to insert a clickable link on Craigslist. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can actually insert a clickable link to your Craigslist ads. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're aware, when you're on the description page, so I'm assuming you've done all of this, you've entered the title while creating a post, you've entered your price, you've entered your city, neighborhood, your postal code, your description, and you can see that we do not have the option to insert a link. That is because Craigslist does not offer you an official way where it is simply easy for you just to click on your link. But this process can be done with the help of an HTML code. I'll make sure to leave the HTML code in the description. It looks somewhat like this one that starts with a href and ends with a greater than as well. Make sure to copy this code first of all. Once you've copied this code right over here, let me just come back and post it inside the description box. So I will show you how this kind of works as well. So you can see it starts with greater than a href equals to, then you have got double quotation, and you can see the link, and this is where your link will go. And when you paste the link, you want to make sure to also include the https format, because if it doesn't have https, you'll not be able to go ahead and click on that link. So I'll also go ahead and show you. Let me just copy a random link in this case, because I'm just selecting any of it. I'll just copy a random link by just copying on the URL address bar, and I'll simply paste it instead of this link option. Once I paste it, you can see the link has been pasted. Now you might be wondering, what is this click here button? This click here button basically represents the text on which your link is going to be clickable. For example, you can type in click here to go to this link, or you can just select click on this box right over here, and this text is actually going to represent that and be highlighted. Now make sure all of it is correct. Make sure that there are no spaces as well, because if there are some spaces in between, it will not work. On here it is totally fine because it's not going to matter a lot, but after ending the text, you want to make sure there are no spaces in between. Once you've done all of the information and once you've filled in, let me also go ahead and show you that this actually works. So I'll just go ahead and continue it, and if I want, I can upload images, but I'll skip this process just to show you guys. And I'm done with the images, and I'll also publish the post. Once I publish the post over here, you'll be able to see view your post. So I'll just go ahead and select view my post as well. Once I select the option called view my post, you'll be able to see the click here button as well, and when users actually click on this link, they're going to be redirected to the link which I just posted. Hope this video helped you as to how you can actually insert a clickable link on your Craigslist ad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.